Alright. I got it.
I could ask some questions, I don't wanna hear the answers now. I held my tongue long enough, but I'ma let you niggas have it now. I hate the fact I even gotta say this part. I've been a boss, I'm still a boss, I just can't control my heart. You took my kindness for weakness, now that one fall on you. Thought we was building together, but now I got a ball on you. Sick of broken promises that never fall through. How that saying go, the pudding always right by the proof. Aw man, ask God for better days. He told me say another prayer. Dark days gon' build you strength, promise you gon' thank me later. I see why they crave designer, but I want a couple acres. If you ain't real with yourself, you the worst type of faker. Watch how swift I stood a game. Taylor, I want the bread, big bread, baker. They say who the dopest in the room, you know they never gotta assume. Everybody point to me and say, hurt.
If you pull me once, my back against the wall, all of my ups and downs, leaves and pounds, feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
Put a cage on my rage, that's how I know it's animosity. Mugging up my face, let a broke nigga talk to me. When I say broke, I mean mentally. You speak to me with ignorance, I'm a queen, you all offended me. I chase precision, not perfection, cause I don't believe illusions. You're the captain of your fate, just depends how you choosing. 2 slots in the game, you either winning or you snoozing. But if you losing, then you learning, that's a lesson with a bruising. They chasing the bag, I feel the vote. They doing the least, I do the most. They craving designer, but I want boats. Too thirsty for the bread, now that shit'll leave you toast. Man, I lived a lot, I learned a lot. That's the inner soldier in me. Please don't ask me what's next if you don't plan on going with me. Cut a couple people out my life, they wasn't growing with me. And everybody on my team got a gift, that's why they rolling with me.
If you